Welcome to a quick guide on navigating LinkedIn's My Network page. If you're looking to expand your connections, stay updated with your industry, or reconnect with colleagues, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the simple steps to access and make the most of the My Network feature on the LinkedIn app. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom menu. You'll see several icons there: Home, Post, My Network, Notifications, and Jobs. To access your network, tap the My Network icon. It's the second to last icon on the bottom menu, the one that looks like two people. Tapping this will take you directly to your My Network page. Now that you're on the My Network page, take a moment to explore what it offers. At the top, you'll likely see suggestions for people you may know. LinkedIn uses its algorithm to suggest connections based on your profile, industry, location, and existing connections. You can quickly send connection requests to these people by tapping the Connect button next to their names. Below the People You May Know section, you'll find invitations you've received from others. You can either accept or ignore these requests. Accepting an invitation adds the person to your network, allowing you to see their posts and updates in your feed. As you scroll down, you'll discover other helpful sections. You might see people who have viewed your profile, giving you an opportunity to connect with those who have shown interest in your professional background. You may also find suggestions for groups to join, which can be a great way to network within specific industries or topics. The My Network page is also a hub for managing your existing connections. You can easily see updates from your network, such as job changes, promotions, or shared articles. Engaging with these updates by liking, commenting, or sharing can help you stay top of mind with your connections. Finally, remember to regularly check your My Network page to stay engaged and expand your professional circle. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for career advancement and industry insights, and My Network is your gateway to unlocking its full potential.